manufacturing is low tech with limited innovation. Obviously, from our standpoint, that's not true. We've been, implementing so many new robotic technologies in every department, and I think we're probably not unique in that situation to where it's just helping out immensely with getting the consistency that some people can't do. Taking the weight off some of our employees. It's been eye-opening to say the least. I was looking at some stats. They were saying robotics in manufacturing is supposed to grow 6% year over year through 2027. That's a lot. You think about how much everybody's putting in robots where they can, and just really helping to streamline a lot of the processes.
I think it's great that it's growing too, because it also kind of goes forward with the new type of employees we're seeing come into the workforce and kind of leverage the skills that they would have versus the employees that we're going to see soon retiring. So it's going to help improve as we get new employees out there.
You're helping to finish part of the process and then have the other employees finish the last 5 to 10%. So you're able to kind of take the strain off of the guys working on the manufacturing line, but still provide quality products. And then moving into myth number 5, automation is eliminating manufacturing jobs. We're not seeing that at all. And if anything, it's making manufacturing jobs more attractive because it's diversifying. There's so many different things where you can come into manufacturing and you're not just having the same jobs. There's so many things with engineering, and I think that's one of the biggest things we've seen over the past 3 to 4 years at our company in particular.
It's not eliminating jobs, it's transitioning those jobs into different needs, but it's also extending the longevity of an employee who, in the past may have had to lift a 60-pound casting up to a belt, or the risk of sawing a product, even though you have every precautionary measure in place to help the safety side of things. There's a lot of peace of mind built in the robotics and a lot of safety testing done behind the scenes that really helps prop that up and ensure employees can come to work and be safe. You may not need somebody to do the 100% of the job anymore. They're finishing off the last 10%, but that's still needed. So Some of those jobs now may be transitioning into coders and programmers, in robotic specialists, where those employees are still needed. I think you can look at it even in the current market of open jobs that are still available out there, and even as you come into the end of the year and things start to get back in line with that, there's still millions and millions of open jobs available in the United States.